I'm the creator of this asset. I wanted to share some information. So here we have 3 guns, which are M134 minigun. But the first one, which is in green color, is 2% world capacity. I made it using the meta primitive. And this one is a mixture from the public asset, which is 4%. And this one is 35% because this half is being brought from a third party with a license that is CC BY attribution. And here is the license for it. Feel free to choose whatever you want for your game. So we have 4 scripts here. We have the lights out script that controls the light on this post. So when you shoot it, it's going to turn off. Then we have the bullet tracing on the wall. So when you shoot this wall or from any angle, you're going to get holes around it. And then we have the exploding barrels script, which is controlling these barrels. So these barrels have configurations, of course. So these ones are just leaking gas. These one are exploding. And these one are just idle, sending sparks. There is a shockwave. There is a shockwave for the explosion, so that is also changeable. You can change the size and control it in every barrel. Also, every barrel can be exploded using different count of bullets. So, for example, this one is set up for 3 bullets. This is set up for 7 bullets. You decide. Everything is configurable in this asset. You have also the hierarchy. Everything is clean. So here we have the code. Here we have the guns varieties, and here we have the barrel varieties. And then we have the impactful walls. And that's it. Let me show you how a barrel configuration would look like. For example, this is a non-explosive barrel, but let's go to the explosive one. Explosive, I'm sorry. So as you see, we put in the code that you can configure that barrel to be explodable or an empty barrel. You can choose the shockwave size and the bullet hits count. I gave you so much information here to understand how things work under the hood. It's going to be very easy for you to change and swap whatever you would like. And here are some game ideas that you can use this system with. You can do naval battles, zombie survival. You can do first-person shooters, racing with fighting cars. So many ideas to do from this. So don't think that it's only a barrel. You can change the barrel to something else. For example, a car. So I already specified that in these documents. You can see it in the game. But for example, if you want to change a barrel, swap it for a car. You're going to go to the explosive barrel, and then you're going to see that I left you a place where it says replace me. So you have only to replace this object for a car, and then boom, you have an explosive car. Same thing for the gun. I left the door where you can change the gun. For example, the low poly gun, which is this one. You just can go there and look for the replace me object. So you replace your gun with another gun here. Also, I want to thank Meta for just this script, which is the gun script, which is in the public library. I had to modify it. I had to modify it and add animations for the gun. So the recoil is spinning, and I added some lights. When you shoot, you get some lights. And yes, also we have an impactful bullet, so it's going to push everything thanks for Meta and my modifications. I kept it in yellow because it's not mine, it's not original. Thank you so much. That was all. I hope you enjoy it and use it for tons of games.